Hello, welcome to another Tuesday Tips at 2 with the Goldbergs. I'm Sara Goldberg. Today I'm going to be talking about what employers should look out for when hiring someone new and the immigration implications involved in that. For many folks, especially U.S. citizens, and maybe you never even thought about immigration issues associated with being a new hire, traditionally someone who is hired for a full-time job will be needing to fill out lots of different paperwork in order to start the work process. Among them would be a form called Form I-9. If you're an employer and you're hiring folks, one thing that's very important for an employer to do is to have this Form I-9 completed by a new hire within 3 days of the hire date. Now, this is something that many folks haven't even thought about, especially as a small business. We are a small business too at Goldberg Law. And it's not something you think about because you're trying to just keep your business afloat, get things moving, making the money, helping your customers in whatever aspect it may be. And you don't think about this important aspect, which is called the Form I-9. This form basically identifies an individual who is work eligible. Even if someone tells you that they're a U.S. citizen and they're a particular race or come from a particular region of the country, that doesn't mean or guarantee that that person has work authorization. So therefore, in order to avoid discrimination, it's important to have everyone complete this document. Now, it involves 3 sections. The first 2 sections are supposed to be completed by the employee. Many times what employers will do is say, here's this form, please complete it and provide me with the following documents, and specifically identify driver's license and social security card. I've heard this from so many different employers, and even myself, before being an attorney, I was asked that myself. But unfortunately, an employer can't actually identify the precise documents to use. So what they're supposed to do is provide the Form I-9, and with it, there is a list of documents that an employee can choose from and select, and those documents they could then provide to the employer. But the employer cannot specifically request the documents to be produced. So that's a little tip from today for Tuesday Tips at 2 with the Goldbergs. If you've got any questions about that, feel free to contact us. And until next time, have a great day.
From the Goldberg Law, hoping that each of you, especially Houston Bar Association members, can join me, Tina Wynn, and Zach Wolf on Friday, August 21st at 1 p.m. We're going to be giving an online CLE, so you really have no excuse not to come, about force majeure in the age of pandemic, rioting, and other massive chaos and disruptions to businesses. What does a business do if it cannot perform under a contract? Hope you can join us. Please take a look at this flyer. Looking forward to it.